Hey guys, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can make money on Clickbank without having your own website. So if you're new to this channel, then this channel is all about make money online, where I tell my strategies and my tips to help you start an online business. So please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, now let's talk about how you can make money online with Clickbank even though you don't have your own website. Yes, that is very much possible. You don't need your own website to get started. Okay, so let me show you how. So the very first thing which you have to do, you need to log into your Clickbank account and go into the marketplace. And from here, you need to pick one offer which you need to promote. So as an example, I'll be going with the e-business and e-marketing niche. You can choose any of the available niche as per your choice. And over here, you will see there are different products which are available. So what we will do, we will sort the results by gravity. Now you can see these are the most popular products right now. So the first one, Instant Email Empire, it has got a gravity of 122.09. Okay, affiliate bots, start from zero, audiobook by Fred Lamb, active commission, 7 minutes daily profit. Okay, so let's say we are going to promote this particular offer, which is 7 minutes daily profits. So what we have to do, we will just open the affiliate page, the affiliate section of it, and we'll just go through what exactly the product is all about. So it's another done for you affiliate system. Okay, get to access the tools. So these are all the promotional tools which the vendor usually provide with the Clickbank offers. Now what we have to do, we need to click on promote, and on this screen we need to click on generate hop link. So this is the link which we have to promote. So as you can see, this is an ugly looking link. So we cannot just simply promote this naked link. So what we will be doing, will be first of all just closing it out, and we'll go to a website called Bitly. We will use this service to shorten the link. Now once we are here, we'll just go on create and we'll just paste our link here. Okay, so now this is the link which we have got. That's our link to promote, and we have tested it. It is opening up the sales page, so that's good. Okay, this goes out. All right, to recap what we have done so far, we have gone into Clickbank, we have found out the offer which we need to promote, we have got the affiliate link, and we have used Bitly to shorten that link. Now we will be going into Facebook. So don't think, oh, you're gonna promote this in different groups and that's an old trick. Hold on. Yes, we will be promoting this product in a group, but I'm going to tell you the name of the group where you have to promote the link. So once you're logged into Facebook, just go into search and type advertise your business here. Okay, so it will give you all these different groups. So the group which you have to pick up, you don't have to pick up any of the group, you have to pick this particular group, the one which has got the picture of the beach. This one also has the picture of beach, but you have to pick this one which has got close to 300,000 members. So why we have picked this particular group? Because I've been doing different testings on different Facebook groups, and I found that I got the highest engagement once I promote any of my offer in this particular group. So this is the most active group for promoting different products, where you can advertise your product, your service, your website, or anything. So this is the secret group, guys, which I'm telling you, you have to promote your offer in this particular group. Okay, so now how you need to promote the offer. So what you have to do, I've got something for you guys. So you can see this. So this is my template for posting on this particular Facebook group. And you can use this template, but I request you, do not copy this template. Change few bits here and there. So now what you have to do, you need to just copy this template and post it over here. So as you can see in this template, we are telling people about the offer and giving the various features of the offer. You can customize this template as per the offer which you are choosing, and we are asking them for a call to action as well, which says comment anything below. So once we have posted this template in this particular Facebook group, and once you see people are commenting on your post, then what you have to do, you need to send them the information, and you do not have to send the information right here on the Facebook group. So let's say if this person has asked for the info, so what you have to do, you need to send them a message on Facebook, and from here you need to send your bit.ly link. So that is how you need to promote this particular offer in this advertise your business here group. So you can promote this offer any number of times in this group. What I suggest you, try posting this template at different times, let's say once in the morning, once in the afternoon, once in the evening, one in the night, so that you get to know which of your posts is getting maximum engagement, and then you will get to know at what time most of the people are active in this particular group. Usually what I have seen, people are very active in this group 24/7, but for your own testing you can post your template multiple times in a day and then see which one is getting the more engagement. So I hope you have got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video, and if you want to check out my #1 method as to how I make money online every month, you can just click on the link down below and you can check it out. Again, if you have any question about this method, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.